Hey you guys. Okay, so on this quick video, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the digital business card. Yes. So we are moving on into 2022. Okay. And I don't know if you notice it or not, but everything is digital. Money is digital. We run our businesses online. Like everything is in your computer and in your phone. Okay. So now they have a digital business card. So we're getting rid of the paper business cards and we're moving into this virtual world, which I kind of feel like the business the virtual business card is better because with these cards they tend to get thrown in the trash. Or just think about it, if you were to change your company's name, or if you were to um, change your any information about your company, your website, or if anything changes and someone has this card, then guess what? The card is no longer good because the numbers changed on it, right? So with the digital card, all of your information is digital on the card, and you would take the digital card and swipe someone's phone, and all of your business information will pop up on the phone. It's very, very cool. I can't wait till I get mine. I actually just ordered my digital business card, and this is where I got it from. Vice. V1CE. Okay? Vice. So I will go to this site, and I've just purchased a card. I'll show it to you in just a sec. But they have a variety of cards here. They have your wooden cards. The bamboo ones look really nice. They have a variety of them. You can put your logo on them. And I purchased mine last night. It came up to about $66 total. So I can't wait for it to come in the mail. It looks like this. They sent me a mock-up of it, and it's going to look like this when it comes in. But it's a digital business card, and all I would have to do is just walk up to someone and basically swipe their phone with my card, and all of my information will pop up. Okay. And guess what? You can have multiple businesses on this card. Like you can program it. You can program anything to pop up, a video to pop up, website, anything. So I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. When it does come in, I'm going to do another video so that I can show you guys how this thing works. But feel free, I'm sure it's other YouTube videos out there you guys can check out on this card. It is called Vice, V1CE. Okay, virtual business card. Okay, so make sure you guys pick one up for 2022. We're moving on to this digital world of virtual reality. Okay, so that's all I wanted to drop on you guys today. The virtual business card. Make sure you go pick one up. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.